Hi everyone, welcome back to Raw and Real with Snehal. In today's episode, I will be sharing you my top picks and my recent discovery with very good skincare and makeup products. And I would want to share this out with all my beautiful ladies because it's really very difficult in this PR world to find authentic good makeup and skincare products. I understand how difficult it can be when everybody is raving all the good things about something, but then when you finally buy and see it for yourself, it doesn't work like that. So today I have few of my very favorite products that I have been using and emptied out many bottles. So I thought maybe I will let you guys know about it. So to start with, this is my very first moisturizer which I have used other than Neutrogena. So the thing is that I have been using Neutrogena moisturizer for almost 5-6 years now, but then all of a sudden I get to understand that it has lot of fragrance and it cannot go well with my sensitive acne prone skin. So I thought maybe I should look out for some other option, and while looking for that I was able to find this one. This is Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 2% Clear Moisture Gel Cream. So since I fall under bit sensitive dry sort of skin and I like gel moisturizer, I always stick to gel ones, and this is one very nice one. It literally has no fragrance, so anybody who wants fragrance in their moisturizer, I don't know why, but at least as Indians, it has always been we have been using so many creams with full of fragrance that we just can't imagine what a moisturizer is supposed to do and how it would work without fragrance, because fragrance has got nothing to do with the moisture part. And it took me 5 years literally to learn that and to understand as basic as this. So I hope you guys don't do the same mistake like me and get this one. It's really nice in budget. If you are looking for something on pricier end, maybe Clinique one is quite nice, but then it will make a big hole in your pocket, so I would not recommend it. But then again, depends on your budget, you go girl. So this one was my first. And now, where I will not mind splurging and letting go of my budget would be for this particular sunscreen. This is again Beauty of Joshin, and this is an Aqua Fresh variant, and I have used, I think this is my third one. I have clearly stocked it up another two as well. I think it will be there in one of my videos as well, that how expensive it is but how beautiful it works. And I can tell you that I had got Plum's same variant sunscreen as well, but while I was using it, it made my skin look very tacky, oily, and maybe 10-12 years older than what I am actually. So I don't want that, and I don't think anybody wants that from a sunscreen. I think sunscreen, if you are using that itself, feels like a task, and it should not make your skin look odd. So I think this goes really well. It literally is a game changer if you are new to sunscreen, and if you are starting with this, I think nothing like it. It's quite good and it doesn't feel like you have applied anything on your skin. And if not, if you don't want to wear anything, maybe you can just use this sunscreen. No moisturizer, no nothing, only this, and you're good to go. So I think this is very nice product. I think only this much is left in this bottle, and I already have two, so I don't have to tell you that how good this is. So yeah, Beauty of Joseon, you are great. So now coming to the third product, that is lip balm. So here I think we all Indian girls have maybe dual tone lips or pigmented lips. That's very normal. I don't know why only Korean girls have that pinkish lips. Otherwise we can't have without using any lipstick or tinted lipstick or tinted lip balm. So I think this goes very handy. This whisker, I don't know exactly which color it is. It is pink and it goes well even to my very pigmented lips. It looks so nice. The color is really something. You have to try it for yourself, and only then you will understand. Irrespective whatever skin tone you come from, this gonna suit you, and I can promise you that, because I myself find my lips to be very odd, but this goes really well. So this one. And when I am talking about lipstick and anything in, like, for lips, how can I not rave about this? Sorry. So how can I not rave about this particular lip balm, lipstick, or whatever you want to call it? This is really nice, and the shade is Spice Gold. This is the shade that I am wearing currently, and it looks really gorgeous. So I think anybody who is looking for that one nude lipstick for everyday use, which doesn't chap your lips, and you don't want matte finish in this hot summer, I think this is a must buy. Bit expensive, but then really worth it. I will, clearly myself give you alternative cheaper option if there are available, and if this product can be duped anywhere else, because I am always on hunt for that. So trust me on this. There are few products which are worth your money, and there are few which are clearly not. So this one is. And then coming to this tinted serum, this one particular serum is good for everyday use, and anybody who, want them to be bit dolled up. I know not everybody is as lazy as me, and they are not somebody who will come out of their house without any makeup. So I think this is very nice. It gives you a very sheer skin like finish. I have used it currently, but yes, I would tell you that I have got a wrong shade. I am currently using 3-4 light medium, but I think this is a bit lighter for my skin. I would prefer one shade down, and I think no girl on this earth can ever get their foundation right without trying it, and online it's really difficult, but this one is really nice. And last but not the least, this one beautiful what do I call, blush, but this is a cheek and eye tint. You can use both on your cheeks and eyes. This is of Blue Heaven, and please don't forget the variant Pop and Glow. I hope this is visible. It's I think less than 130 rupees or 150 rupees, but again I have used it completely, and this shade is in Natural Flush, and it is such a beautiful shade. It never looks that you have applied something on your face, and gives a very subtle glow within kind of a thing, which is actually needed, because yes, in this economy you cannot always get Rare Beauty and Fenty Beauty stuff. You will also need few things, and if you get it at this price, why not? I would say that you can get all the shade range from this particular collection, so that you can have your pinks and florals and reds, wines, whatever color you like to have, and it's quite budget friendly. So this one. And can I also add this one, since this is a fragrance? I'm not sure whether I can put it in this one video, but yes, this is from Nykaa Wanderlust series, and this is in Japanese Cherry Blossom, and I think this is quite long lasting. I was even surprised because none of the fragrance last on me for more than 2 hours, but yesterday and day before yesterday I applied, and I was like, how is it even lasting all day? Even I don't know, after entire day, still it was smelling like I have just applied. I don't know how it happened, whether it was the fragrance or it was my the body shower that I have used. It is also from same variant, but I think even standalone this product works really nice, and you guys should try it. And I think now I have shown you all my favorites that I had to show you for this month, that I was able to make good discovery of. So let me know if you guys have also personally used any of these products, and if you liked it, and if you are willing to try it, you have any doubt, please drop your comments. I will try to answer all of them with all the little knowledge I have. I just wanted to share my favorites and let you guys help some money here and there by not getting something unwanted and something PR based, because again, most of the times we don't know what actually works, what is just for internet marketing and influencer people. So yeah, nothing against them, because even I am trying to become one girly's girl who can help you guys out with real and actual content. So yeah, anyways, without blabbering much, I will like to meet you guys very soon, hopefully. And yeah, till then, take care. I will catch you up soon. Bye.